Welcome back for another Litecoin price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets and also give you reasons why Litecoin can see a break above the $100 mark ahead of the Litecoin halving event. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And starting the video by first focusing on the fundamental news, where you can see that we have 11 days, 21 hours, and 0 minutes at the time of this recording to the Litecoin halving event, which is an event that I'm expecting will bring about a lot of volatility in the market. And as a result of that, as we near the Litecoin halving event, I'm expecting a lot of volatility where we can see a break above the $100 mark. And at the time of this recording, Litecoin is holding above a key area of support at around the $91.35 mark, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. And as long as we continue holding above it, we can see Litecoin continue gearing up to the next key area of resistance at around the $97.65 mark. And the moment we see a break above that, get a successful retest, then we can continue gearing up and see a break above the $100 mark. Litecoin has also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where you can see that on the charts we have a low on the 14th of June, giving us a low at around the $71.23 mark. And after seeing that low, we started a very nice recovery to the upside, obeying the Elliot structures, where we first picked in the formation of this wave 1, so that wave 2, then a wave 3, a wave 4, and then the wave 5, giving us a high above the $115 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. And after seeing the formation of this wave 1, we started a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement areas highlighted here on the chart using this red target area, which is an area at the time of this recording we have fully maximized, and there are high chances that Litecoin now has a low in place for the second wave. And ahead of the Litecoin halving event, we can see a massive pump to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, and giving you minimum target areas for the third wave by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. I get a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $161.38 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect that wave 3 to the upper side to do. So as we continue nearing the Litecoin halving event, I'm expecting a lot of volatility, and as a result of it, maybe we could see the start of that impulse in the formation of that wave 3, maybe see a break above the $100 mark. And the moment we get above the $100 mark, then Litecoin can be able to get above the $115 mark, break above that significant high, and maybe see a break above the $140 mark in the next coming days. And in case further breakdown continues here on the charts, because we also need to have such a possible scenario on the charts, in case we continue seeing further weakness on the charts, then I'm expecting Litecoin to continue holding within this red target area. And as long as we continue holding within this red target area, we can expect our reaction to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3. But if by any chance we lose our red target area and continue seeing further breakdown, then we have a very significant area of support at around the $82.62 mark, where we can find support and then get a massive bounce back to the upper side. So that is what we need to have in mind here on the Litecoin chart. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 52 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.